Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Abandoned Countryside. Today we are out loading around this area here. We've found a picnic area that's CCC area. Of course we're out jeeping again. But I'm going to show y'all some of this area here. The stonework, the old stuff that's here. It's all CCC stuff. I'll show you the sign for it first. And then I'm going to pull down in there and show y'all what's here. And then we're going to go back on the road and see what else we can find today. The picnic area is, and I just thought that was a cool old signpost, old rock, hand laid. And then if you come down here, there's the driveway coming into the picnic area. And I don't know what else is down here. We're going to find out here real soon together. But I see a little rock spot over there, rock building or a rock structure, and then there's a structure there. And maybe some picnic tables down there. But let's go back, get back in the Jeep, and y'all come along with me and let's see what's down there. Alright YouTube, we made it down here now, and well, I'm sad to say that it looks like nobody's using it anymore. It's a daytime area, closed between 10 p.m. and 6. But let's go ahead and walk down here and see what it looks like. It's pretty grown up, they haven't come taking care of it. There's a rock structure over there. There's 1, 2, 3 picnic tables that I see right here. Looks like a little water fountain maybe. I'll let y'all get a look at that. Another abandoned park way out in the middle of nowhere. Here's the gazebo. It's a little structure we were seeing from the road up there. And it's awfully neat. Nice. Let's see what we got in here. What's the views? I hear another waterfall. So, and then there's that little rock structure I said I could see down over the hill. You can see the sign way up there. There's still some more stacked rock down right along the creek banks here. And then this one, looks like it's some kind of grill. So as you can see, there's stacked rock all down the side of this creek. And I was trying to look, maybe that was significant for something or what, because the creek goes down right over here. It looks like it drops big down the hill. So let's go see what we got over here. Got some trinkly little waterfall on over here. Nothing major. We'll show y'all anyway. Ooh wee. Oh shit. We might not get back up that hill. That's slick. But here we are. We made it. A little tragedy, but we made it. For no reason. That's all that's here. Now, it drops off the side of the hill over there, but after that little incident there, I'm not going to try to make it no farther today. We'll go back up to the gazebo and head on over to the other side. We're back here at the gazebo. Jeep right there. We'll head farther over into the picnic area and see. I'm assuming that's bathrooms over there. Sorry I'm out of breath, guys. I'm a little old fat, and that falling down the hill didn't help any at all. So it's just picnic tables. I mean, there's still rock stairs and stuff. This was well maintained at one time. This is not being anymore. A little rock pool here. That's coming underground. Heading down, run everything off the bluffs. And now we're gonna go over here. See what this other building is. Probably, I'm guessing it's just a bathroom. The way it's shaped, it's got, you see it there. I'm just assuming it's a bathroom. Oh yeah, big giant porta potties. That's it. Yeah. You can definitely hear the water. There's a trail, but like I said, it's all muddy. We're not gonna try to walk down there today too far and see anything. Get to the street here maybe and see if we can see it. No, you can't see it from here, but you can definitely hear it. All right, so that is the abandoned government campsite way up in the middle of nowhere for no reason, and nobody comes and takes care of it anymore. You see, this one's come full of leaves. Yeah, nothing here to see really anymore these days. It's sad, but I'm gonna keep going, see if I can find something else to put in this video for you. I'm just out having fun, guys, and I invite y'all to come along with me and see what we can find today. Cool stuff along our route up here today. As you can see, that beautiful rock formation right there, here, and there's bluffs and caves and everything all up there. There's one big one out up there that one day I will be going in. See it right up there? Yeah. I'm not gonna climb these rocks today, but I will one day. There's a path right here. But I thought I'd show you all that too in this video, since it's such a short video anyway. That's some of this neat stuff that's up here along in the middle of nowhere. And then over here is the big waterfall. I love that they got it where I can walk right to it. This is neat. This is a pretty good sized waterfall. Right here. There's the water coming down the hill over there is where we just were, up there.